simply cannot wait any longer.
So what we need is a commitment, a rock-solid, ironclad commitment of specific resources to specific projects that address the needs of our community.
Right now that there's people in the city that are afraid to call the cops. So it's not just for the people on the street, it's for everybody.
What we need is to take the cops out of the equation.
That's right, yes!
If we can take the cops out of the equation, we can not only save lives, we can save trauma.
And we want to see more money going from the police department to mental health services, to housing, to all the different things that people need to keep themselves safe, to give them agency, to prevent violence happening on so many different levels in our community.
Funding of policing has diverted billions of dollars, hundreds of billions of dollars from our schools, from healthcare, from housing, and those essential things that actually do make our communities safer.
Care not cops. We've been telling you for a year to divest the needs and invest in our community. We want it to be separate from the police. We want it to be separate from the fire department. We want it to be 24/7 amply funded so that we can take care of the people in need. It's not rocket science.
That's right.
We are the people too. A little bit louder, please. We want funding for care, not cops. We are the people too. A little bit louder, please. We want funding for care, not cops. We are the people too. A little bit louder, please. We want funding for care, not cops. We are the people too.